There was a huge windstorm this morning here in Surrey, British Columbia, just a short distance from Vancouver. The winds were probably up near 50-60 miles an hour. Now it's just before noon. Winds have died down. But here's what happens when big trees decide they want to come down. Quite a bit of damage. That doesn't look good. Girl just leaving.
Bystander or insurance guy?
I'm not, I'm just a bystander. Looks kind of ugly.
Sounded real ugly.
Just after speaking with one of the neighbors here, he told me at about 4 a.m. they heard the big crash down. He looked around and noticed it was this tree was on his neighbor's roof. Luckily there was nobody inside this bedroom when it came down.